These are the weapons they're gonna be using. One is gonna be using a double strike. Each person uses two weapons. He's gonna use a double strike and a buggy toy rogue. And on the next side, he's going to be using a hammer shot and a demolisher 2-in-1.
Hurry up, my hands are itchy. You wanna destroy Julian?